So, what if I can't travel to Korea right now? I can get the taste of it right here in Mumbai. I've come to Sun and Moon Korean restaurant in Worli, which is known to serve the tastiest Korean food in all of Mumbai.
You know how much I love eating out. I think it's one of the best ways to try out different cuisines from around the world. Well, the pandemic has had a huge impact on our travel schedules, but don't you worry, because I will always find ways to explore the best in your city. So I have come to this amazing Korean restaurant in Mumbai called Sun and Moon Korean Restaurant, and it's known to serve some delicious South Korean food. So let's go and try that. Korean restaurant in Worli. It's one of the best and most authentic Korean restaurants you will find in town. Be it its Korean food or even its ambience. It's got K-pop music playing there. It's got private cabins where you can go and dine. In fact, you'll get every Korean dish that you can think of thanks to its elaborate menu. Well, it's been over 2 years since I went to South Korea and I still remember the crazy dishes that I tried out there. I'm missing it even more as MOKKOJI Korea is approaching in Korea. It's a festival where you can experience life, culture and lifestyle of Korea. Now you must be wondering, why am I so excited about it when I can't go there and enjoy MOKKOJI Korea? Well, guess what? I can enjoy it right here in the comfort of my home on MOKKOJI Korea's official website and enjoy the Indian week in the month of October. On the 10th of October, there's also going to be a live performance by the Korean idols, which I definitely not want to miss. Well, in addition to that, other exciting content that introduces Korea, including web drama, webtoon, performances and fan meetings with Korean idols, will all be there. So we can definitely be a part of the festival and enjoy it right here in India. Well, but today I've come to enjoy some of my favorite Korean food because I was having some major FOMO. So let's order some delicious Korean food.
Korean cuisine is largely based on rice, vegetables, seafood and meats. Generally, Korean meals come with a number of side dishes, and the collective name for small side dishes served along with rice called banchan. One of the major banchan is famous kimchi. The fermented cabbage is usually served with every meal. There's also goguma matang, that are deep fried chunky sweet potatoes coated with caramelized sugar. For the mains, I tried gimbap, which looks like sushi but is actually a Korean seaweed rice roll filled with a variety of delicious fillings. Gim is dried sheets of seaweed and bap means rice. There's also jajang reboki, which is black bean sauce noodles. I totally love the glazed deep fried chicken bites that come topped with sesame seeds. And now onto the most popular dish of South Korea, bibimbap. It is probably one of the most well-known and beloved Korean dishes to many people. Bibimbap simply translates to mixed rice with meat and assorted vegetables. You can make endless variations to this dish depending on your preference and dietary requirements, and it is also based in the dish or bowl it is served in. While the dish is assembled in the kitchen, it is heated right in front of you on the table. These are some of the dishes that I tried in the Korean restaurant. Why don't you go on a taste trip to Korea through these exotic yet fantastic food selections just like how I did?
Wow, it's so good to see so many fans of Korean food. With me here is Ruhi, and Ruhi, I believe you're a big BTS fan.
Yeah.
When you say you're a big BTS fan, tell us, what do you like about BTS?
Their
and why?
songs.
Oh, their songs. and their culture as well.
I tried Korean food for the first time in 2019. So I was introduced to this place by my colleagues. That time I wasn't really into K-drama or BTS, but then we got introduced into the world of K-drama, and now we are back again. And Korean food, yeah, it's quite spicy. We love spice, and it's quite different, and we love when we see it in K-drama, so we get to feel the same thing.
It's spicy, the taste is beautiful, and it's very light, so I can like eat a decent amount, but I don't feel tired afterwards. I like samgyeopsal,
Okay.
which is basically pork belly.
Oh, okay, nice. That's interesting.
Mine is jajangmyeon. Jajangmyeon, black bean noodles.
Oh, okay, nice. Well, it's been such a pleasure telling everyone about the MOKKOJI Korea, which is a platform or a festival that celebrates art, life and lifestyle of Korea, bringing together everyone who's passionate about the Korean culture to come and learn and experience more about this. So I'm quite looking forward to the festival. I hope you are too. Well, clearly coming to this Korean restaurant and enjoying this delicious Korean food turned out to be a great idea. I didn't know there are so many people out there in India who love Korean food as well as Korea. So while I enjoy this food, I'm also quite looking forward to MOKKOJI Korea happening in October. If you wish to be a part of the event too, click on the link in description and participate in the same. Until then, it's me, Kamya Jani, signing off.